Introducing KXZ210, a versatile tree shear designed for a wide range of tasks, including clearing thickets, cutting trees, landscaping, and park maintenance work. This lightweight yet powerful tool is compatible with most compact loaders, telescopic handlers, and skid steer loaders, making it a valuable addition to your equipment lineup. With the KXZ210, you can easily tackle clearing work along field edges, roadsides, and yard plots. It excels in thinning operations and landscaping projects, effortlessly removing problematic trees, branches, and unruly bushes. One of the standout features of the KXZ210 is its adaptability to compact machines in the size range of 800 kilograms and above. This makes an ideal choice for work in locations not accessible with larger machinery. For example, it's perfect for landscaping work where a smaller machine causes less unwanted damage to the terrain. Additionally, it's easier to quickly transport a smaller machine to a storm damage cleanup site. The tree shear features a detachable blade, allowing for secondary use as a loading grapple or as a helpful tool in installation work. Furthermore, the KXZ210 is available in two variants, with a rotor and without a rotor. The rotor-equipped version weighs 250 kilograms, while the rotorless option weighs only 190 kilograms. The jaw opening is 670 millimeters wide, and the tree shear can handle a maximum working pressure of 300 bars. Please note that the rotor's maximum working pressure is 215 bars. The blade of the tree shear is sharp towards both jaws, allowing you to cut trees from both sides. With a recommended maximum cutting diameter of 210 millimeters, KXZ210 will easily handle all the jobs that larger cutting tools aren't suitable for. We stand behind our products, which is why our tree shears come with a 1-year warranty. For more information, head to KX-Treeshears.com. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more useful tips and news about KX products.